What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put money into stocks with your Cash App account in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we're going to do is tap into our Cash App application. The next thing we're going to do is tap in the bottom left-hand corner on the money sign. Next, you're going to tap on stocks. Start investing with just $1. All you have to do is invest $1 to start, you guys. Buy stocks in your favorite companies to give your money a chance to grow. You can scroll down and see a couple of the lists that they have to offer: banking and finance, business services, energy, ETFs, food and drink, health, shopping, sports, technology, tourism, transportation. You can scroll down a little more to see the most traded monthlies: Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet. You can keep scrolling down a little bit more to see the biggest daily movers. You can see health. You can see Upstart, Trump Media, Ibotta. Now we want to buy stock, so you can tap in the top search bar or you can tap the purple buy stock option. Again, you can search the different options they have here. I'm just going to tap on Apple. Once you tap on here, you can see that it's up 1.23% right now. You can scroll down for a little more information about it. Now we want to tap on buy to buy stock. You can select one of these options: 10, 25, 50, 75, or 100. Or you can tap on the three dots and type in the amount that you would like to put in yourself. You'll see a screen where you can type in the amount, and you can see you can change your order type. You can do auto invest, which is an automatic daily, weekly, or bi-weekly purchase of Apple stock. You can also do a custom purchase order, automatically buy Apple if it reaches a share price you choose. Custom purchase orders can be used to buy stock if its price falls, or to catch the wave if the price rises. Once you select your options, you're going to type in the amount you want to invest. I'll type in $1, and then you tap on next. It might ask you a couple of questions to verify your identity. That's okay. Go ahead and tap through the options. Then it's going to bring you to this confirmation screen. You want to make sure everything looks right. Buy $1 of Apple. Tap on confirm once everything looks correct. Tap on done. And now you have purchased your Apple share. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this helped you get your stock purchase quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.